At Kozo Sushi, they're hoping that the good times continue to roll. They're serving up their own response to Abenomics, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's stimulus spending, money printing, currency weakening bet to improve the economy. The stock market has rocketed by more than a third this year. Prices are rising too, but wages have been static. So here they hand out their own dividend, an extra bit of fish every day the Nikkei index closes up. Compliments of the chef.
To be honest, ordinary people like us aren't feeling the benefits of Abenomics, so we thought that someone needs to take the initiative, or things won't change. We're giving away tuna in the hope that we can be of some help. If I can't personally feel it, I hope at least the customers can feel the effects of Abenomics.
The impact on the economy as a whole is certainly being felt. In the first quarter of this year, it grew at 3.5%, fueled not just by a weakening yen, but also by an increase in domestic consumer demand. But the longer-term success of Shinzo Abe's gamble rests on a number of things. On rising consumer spending spreading beyond the wealthy to the rest of Japan, on business to start investing again and extending its capacity, and on his ability to push through structural reforms of how Japan's economy works. That's what Abe, who hosted his Indian opposite number this week, calls the third arrow in the quiver of Abenomics. The first and second, fiscal stimulus and monetary easing, having already been fired. He's due to unveil it in full next month, but there's scepticism that the restructuring, which includes promises to deregulate and get more women into the workforce, will be enough to cement the recent boom.
I think the whole concept of so-called Abenomics is really very much focused on creating a bubble economy so that deflation can be overcome. If you like, creating even more poisonous gases to get rid of the existing poisonous gases.
Much will depend on how industry responds. 80% of Hideaki Irisawa's business involves selling parts to some of Japan's industrial giants, among them Mitsubishi, Toyota and Honda. He senses those customers' renewed optimism, but says reality has yet to catch up to sentiment.
When
it comes to our company and our sales, it's improving a little bit, but it's not enough to be able to call it real growth.
Irisawa's real passion isn't for car parts, it's for his company's own innovations. But he's not ready to invest in large-scale development and production just yet. For now, he's sitting out the initial boom to see what Abenomics can really deliver. Harry Fawcett, Al Jazeera, Tokyo.